Hello everybody, welcome to St Joss. Just a little video to let you know how to operate the lockbox to retrieve the keys and open the front door. It's pretty straightforward, but this may help. Have a great stay. When you made your reservation at St Joss, you will have been given a code to open the lockbox. The lockbox is located on the wooden pillar next to the front door. To open the lockbox, I'm just going to use a temporary code just to demonstrate. So enter the code. Followed by the lock symbol in the middle. The lock will buzz, flash green and make a sound. You can then open the lockbox simply by pulling down towards you. Retrieve the key from inside. This is the key to open the main front door. Once you've taken the key, just close the lockbox and it will then self-lock. At the end of your stay, just repeat the process and make sure the key is back in the lockbox and it is securely fastened. Have a great stay.